that it vibrates all the time. What's up, guys? So we're here at Emma Long Metropolitan Park. This is going to be the motorcycle trails that you have. The main loop, which is down yonder. It is pretty difficult. We are new to dirt bikes, so we tried it once, and man, oh man, did it put us in our place. Oh God, I cannot even do this. Geez, we're about to fucking drop the bike and we haven't even fucking done anything. Bud. Alright, we're done riding. So what we're going to be doing is the beginner loop. And we're also going to be working on our skills to get more familiar with the bike, popping the clutch. And this is where we're going, is going to be the beginner loop, which I never know if it's left or right. Let's try. Oh, let's go straight right here. That the more we get familiar with riding, one, our stamina gets way better, and two, it doesn't become quite as intimidating. And usually I want to just note that if you're new to riding dirt bikes, we have a 4-stroke, and getting used to the clutch work is insane, as well as trying to be smooth and not dabbing. All right, we're gonna go right, I think, in like this little tight section. And like for the first couple weeks, we spent so much time working on our clutch. Let's try the middle finger. I can't remember who it was, but it's, I think, the IRC Moto tire guy. He uses his middle finger a lot. It definitely feels weird because we had a dab. Nope. Oh yeah, we dab. Coming from motorcycles, we've only been riding for about 4 years. It's so different because I'm seeing these obstacles, and then when I first came up here, you don't have faith in the bike. Like, you think that, oh man, I'm gonna hit it, it's gonna hurt, I'm gonna fall over. And we have fallen over a lot, but just seeing a lot of the stuff of what the bikes can do is extremely impressive. Oh, let's see if we can, oh, no dab on that one, nice. Oh, we almost fucking popped the clutch on that, did a wheelie on accident. Like that big root. First time I was like, oh man, see, my arm's already smoked. But it's a great way to improve your skills. Like a lot of stuff I used to have to pop the clutch, or I used to think I had to pop the clutch. But like, we're going over extremely slow, and it's taking it. We're just doing this to warm up. Go left. Almost had a dab there. Yeah, so you can either go on right, and I remember the first time seeing this wall right here, I was like, oh my God. And then even over here on the right, that was extremely intimidating. And we're gonna go ahead and just try to hit it right now at a slow speed to start off. So it's like, I would have never thought that was possible the first time, because I was like, no, it's so tall. And it's just having the confidence to stick with it. There it is. See, difficult trail ahead, etc., etc. And it's difficult. I'm like, Lord, there's a lot of like double diamonds, single diamonds, and there's a couple easier pull-offs that once you get past a certain section, you can go ahead and pull off and go back to the main road, and brings you all the way back around. It just depends on what you're comfortable with. we're still pretty new. Let's just turn that forward. But we will try it again. We're gonna work on some drills today to become more efficient. There's a little bit of mud there. Might go through that. And you could like probably hop some of these rocks. Here's some trees. There's a log. It's a very cool area because it's also free, which is very nice. So we're gonna we're gonna probably case it. Yeah, we cased it, but staying calm. Ooh, as we almost panicked. And that's why we have our skid plate. So again, we're gonna just ease down. We were almost losing it, so we just let go of the brake. And then just going down this. Whoop, whoop. So there's the main road. Take the easy right. It's definitely wild, the feeling of progressing, because oh, we almost killed it there. Because we would have never really guessed that we would do that. Let's see if we can do that spin move. See, I can't even touch the brake. Oh fuck! Well, there's that. All right, so this is probably the main issue that we have is going to be our height. That the bike has a lowering link on it, but it's still very tall. I mean, we're in like a little rivet, but we're just gonna try to. Oh, boots caught. What are we trying to do here? Probably gonna have to drop the bike. Psych. Have faith, my child. All right. I'm already exhausted. Let's do the cheat. Let's cheat. Only turn it around, huh? Let's go and use this rock. Can y'all hear how hard I'm breathing? Hot dang. My arm is shot already. Alright, we're gonna try to see which way we can go left. That's the easier line. It's pretty much just a straight up. And again, a lot of this is, we've already done that. But it's been a while since we've been out here. So just having the confidence to do it. Again, we're doing the easier lines here. This is the one that messed us up one time. Woo! Damn, my hand hurt, baby. A big old divot. Do. Let's not go into that. Alright. We jumped that little rock. And it's very intimidating. just like committing, really. It's like, holy shit.